Hey traders, Roberto here, and this is another tutorial for the Pro Traders Workshop series. And this one is trading crosses. It is the opening of the UK markets, and I scanned several pairs using the X-Rate indicator and Profit Goldeneye, um, so I can determine what currencies are strong or weak. And at the moment, the Australian dollar is very strong. So when I look at, for example, Aussie CAD. Main trend is up, the channel is up. Let's add the Profit Goldeneye indicator, and this will help me determine if I should be focusing on Australian dollar. All right, so notice Profit Goldeneye from the 5-minute to the monthly chart, it's in an uptrend. X-rate indicator is giving us an uptrend as well. And I've taken several trades, and I will be staying in these for at least through the UK Open and the European and New York session as well. So Aussie CAD is in an uptrend. Aussie Swiss is in an uptrend. Pound Aussie is in a downtrend. So it's correlated in reverse. So Aussie dollar is strong against the pound. Euro Aussie also is in a downtrend. Notice in the 5 minutes, the monthly chart. Um, I don't really pay attention to the market direction on the Profit Goldeneye as long as these arrows are pointing down and the X-rate indicator is showing a main trend, downtrend, channel direction, downtrend, then I favor that. Um, Aussie yen in an uptrend. Let's add Profit Goldeneye to that as well. So just bear with me for 1 second here so I can. So again, trading crosses, very powerful technique because you can see just looking at these indicators, looking at price action, that the Australian dollar for now is in an uptrend. It's very strong. And the only thing I would advise is just use these indicators during the opening of the UK and US markets because in between sessions, markets tend to consolidate. And these indicators here are worthless when markets are range bound. They only really work and they are really powerful only when the markets are opening in the UK and the US. And then I scan several pairs to see what currency is the strongest. And right now the Aussie dollar is in an uptrend, so I would favor just trading that. Okay. And that's it. If you have any questions, just email me. Pro Traders Workshop series continues. The next few months, I did stop uh, producing videos only because the markets during mid-December and January um, are not the best time to trade Forex. Not much volume. So I'm going to continue to add more to our arsenal of trading. Thanks for watching.